Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. It's pen art time and today we're going to be celebrating the best teacher ever. So let's get started. To draw this sweet drawing for your teacher, let's first start by drawing the teacup. So I'm going to come right here and basically just draw a big wide bottom of a U. So nice big cup of tea. I'm going to come right across, so say about this wide, and do the same thing. Draw the same thing on the other side. And connect it at the bottom with a big curve. There, we have a nice big cup, and then we're going to just basically connect it with a straight line right across. Nice simple cup. There, and then let's draw a handle for our cup. So let's come about right here. And I'm just going to draw a big curve, and we're going to thicken that handle and draw another curve. And then from there, let's come about right here in this area, and I'm just going to draw the tea bag, the string of our tea bag, and just bring down a curve right there. And then we're going to draw the tea bag. So right here, I'm just going to draw a little angle line and two angle lines that come out, and bring down a line to create our tea bag and connect. There, so hopefully that looks like a tea bag. And then I'm going to come in here, of course, and draw a heart before I forget. There. From there, let's bring this teacup to life. So let's say about right here, I'll go ahead and just give it some really simple eyes. So just a big curve for very happy eyes. And I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and draw another curve. So it's going to hit the tea bag depending on where you draw this tea bag, but that's okay. And then let's give our teacup here a big smile and cap it off. And say about right here, I'll just draw a little curve above each eye. And I'm going to come in here and make this a bit thicker. And there, happy, happy cup, right? Okay, so then from there, we're going to come to the center. So the center of our cup is about right here and come out. It's about here and here. Just draw our base of our cup, and then we're going to basically draw a straight line across. So this is going to be the beginning of our stack of books. I'll go right across. About right there, and then I'm going to draw the first book. So I'm going to round this part off right here where it binds, and draw a straight line right across again, and about the same area. Now to make it look like a book, so I'm just going to come down with a straight line, and once again draw a straight line across for our cover. Continue, and same thing at the bottom. And connect. And then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a slight curve or a straight line. Doesn't really matter for the pages. So that's what we're going to do two more times. So I'm going to make this center one a little bit wider, just so we play around and not make it so stiff. Just make the center one a little bit longer. So same thing. We're just going to do the exact same thing. And it doesn't matter how thick or thin your books are, it's all up to you. So once again, we're just going to do the exact same thing. There, and once more, right here. And so one more. I'm going to make this one just a little bit thinner. About right here. And let's say about right here. I'll end it. Connect all the way across. There, and one more line about right here. There, we have our stack of books. Okay, so now that we have that done, I thought we could spruce it up some more, and let's add like a little cup right here behind the books, so right next to the books, and add a little cup. So let's draw a little angle line down. Oh, we're going to end at the same level, so just round it off a little bit. Just something quick. There. And then let's add a pencil in here. So this is if you want to spruce up your drawing. And let's add an eraser and then some lines right here for a pencil. And then we can also draw a pen maybe. Round this part off. Maybe give it a little cap right here, and then a little handle right there for a pen. And of course, let's add a heart right here to decorate our cup, because we can't give enough hearts to the teacher, right? Okay, so then on this side, let's add an apple so we know for sure this is for your teacher. So let's say about right here, we're gonna make a nice big apple. I'm just gonna draw a curve. Then we're gonna put in a stem into this curve. Add a big leaf in here. And so then about right here, we're gonna come up. And once again, we're just going around, behind the books. And just imagine this coming through. So say about right here. And we're going to end the same level, give a little wobble in the center, and connect. And there, we have our apple. And just so we know that this is a cup of hot tea, let's come right here. And I'm going to draw a heart that's supposed to look like steam coming up. So just come right here and draw a whimsical heart. Very curvy, whimsical heart. And hopefully this makes it look like steam coming up here. I'll just come in here and thicken some parts of it. There. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so then I'm just gonna thicken this cup a little bit now that I'm looking at my camera. Thicken this up. There, nice and round now, right? It was the having a sharp chin, the cup. Okay, so much better. And let's write the pun, which is best teacher ever. So I'm gonna do that quickly under here. So I'm just gonna use this as my guide and come about right here, right under. And I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly write best teacher. Best, and let's come across about right here. So hopefully I have enough room. Teacher. Okay, and then ever, right? So we need to end about right here. So if I have too much room, I'm just gonna have to make everything wider. There, we did it. Okay, so then I'm just gonna come in here really quickly and thicken the word tea a lot more. So that's pretty much it for this cute little pun art for your best teacher ever. And I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.